some of the neat features that I can walk you through as a sales consultant. Blue LED light packages, all that's brand new for 2024. We have a Fusion Bluetooth stereo with 6 speakers on board, and of course, we can always upgrade the sound system. Sky's the limit when it comes to that. And then, you know, one thing that Captain Keith may not know that I know is that active trim is also an option on board this boat. Turn on your setting, how you want your motor trimmed, put your tow hook on, take them out skiing, automatically set up. Also throughout the boat, USB-C ports all around, charging your boat, quick access, everywhere you can possibly look, Sea Ray integrated them.
Patrick, thank you for walking us through that. So yes, the active trim, there are 5 different preset levels, so profiles. If you go all the way up to 5, that's going to be more aggressive. So your engine's going to trim up higher, but then when you come in, you slow down, you come to a bridge or whatever, it's going to tuck down automatically for you. 5 is probably going to be too high for this boat. So typically you're kind of around 2 or 3. You can totally override it yourself, just like what you've done all your life. With your thumb, you can adjust the engine trim. This also has the throttle only feature, which you hear me talk about all the time. It's not as critical on this boat because I can't bump the shifter right now. That's not going to go into gear. You still have to squeeze in on this bar in order to get the throttle to move. Unlike the twin engine applications and stuff like that, where you got the joystick, where if you just bump it, it'll go. So throttle only is not as critical on this because it will stay locked in neutral when you're stopped. So active trim's great. You can always override it yourself if you need to. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little walkthrough on this 21 SPX.
Thanks. We'll see you out on the water.